What is a bank identification number BIN? The term bank identification number BIN refers to the first 4 to 6 numbers on a payment card. This set of numbers identifies the financial institution that issues the card. As such, it matches transaction to be the issuer of the card being used. BINs can be found on various payment cards including credit cards, charge cards and debit cards. The BIN systems helps financial institutions identify fraudulent or stolen payment cards can help prevent identity theft. Key takeaways: a bank identification number is the first 4 to 6 numbers that appear on my payment cards. BINs are found credit cards, charge cards, and prepaid cards, debit cards, and gift cards. The BIN helps merchants evaluate and assess their payment card transactions. The number allows merchants to accept multiple forms of payment and allows transactions to be the process faster. BINs can help financial institutions identify fraudulent or stolen cards and prevent identity theft. How bank identification number BINs work? The bank identification number is numbering system developed by the American National Standards Institute ANSI and the International Organization Standardization ISO to identify the institutions that issue payment cards. The ANSI is a non-profit organization NPO that creates business standards in the US, while the ISO is an international non-government group that creates standards for various industries. All payments cards come with a BIN number. This is a set of 4 to 6 numbers randomly assigned to debit cards, credit cards, charge cards, gift cards, electronic benefit cards, and other payment cards. The number is embossed on the front of the card and appears in print just below as well. The first digit specifies the major industry identifier. The digits that follows specifically specify the issuing institution or bank. For example, Visa credit cards start with 4, which falls under the banking and financial category. When a customer makes an online purchase, the customer enters their card details on the payment page after submitting for the first 4 to 6 digits of the card. The online retailer can detect which institutions and institutions issued the customer's card, including the card brand or major industry identifier such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Diners Club, the card label such as Corporate Platinum, the card type, the issuing bank country. When the customer initiates a transaction, the issuer receives the authorization request to verify if the card and the account and valid and whether the purchase amount is available. This process result in the charge being after approved or denied. Without a BIN, the credit card processing system would be unable to determine the origin of the customer's funds and would be unable to complete the transactions.